Chapter 2: Organizing Files and Folders. Learning Outcomes. At the end of this chapter, students will be able to manage files and folders using Windows 10. Create a folder. Rename, delete and restore a file and folder. Warm up. Reena wants to organize the things in the proper storage. Help her by matching the objects with their appropriate storage. Teacher's note. Inform students that we keep or arrange our items in our room. Similar to this, we can use files and folders to keep our data on computers. Hi friends, let's learn how to keep our data in files and folders on computer. We make files and folders which make it easier for us to remember where we have stored our work. Let us learn how to manage files and folders using Windows 10. Attributes of Windows 10. In Windows 10, multiple users can work on one computer system at the same time. The search tool of Windows 10 is called Cortana, which let us search for any information on the system or on the internet directly. It also provides the feature of downloading free and paid apps from an application called the Microsoft Store. We can open numerous desktops simultaneously by using the Task View button. The Snap feature allows us to drag and drop a window to a corner of the screen, thereby making space for the other application. It enables to start more than one program at a time. Let me answer. Which is the most commonly used operating system developed by Microsoft Corporation? Do you know? Cortana interacts naturally via talking and typing and provides relevant recommendations, quick access to information, better researches, and important reminders. Files. A file is a collection of data or information. When you save your work in a program, it is saved as a file. Files are represented on computers by icons. The Windows 10 operating system allows us to generate many file types. The type of file can be recognized by its icon. Folders. A folder serves as storage for files or other folders. A folder within a folder is called a subfolder. We can create any number of folders where each can hold any number of files and subfolders. Creating a folder. Follow the given steps to create a folder. Steps. Go on the location where you want to create the folder. Right-click on a blank space. Select New and then Folder from the contextual menu. Windows will create the new folder at your current location. Enter your desired folder name and press Enter. Shortcut keys combination. Press Ctrl Shift N key combination to create a new folder. File Explorer window. File Explorer window provides comprehensive details of the drives, files and folders that are present in our system. In this window, we can also create, open, move or remove a folder. Opening File Explorer. Follow the given steps to open File Explorer. Steps. 1. Click on the Start button. 2. Select the File Explorer. 3. The File Explorer window will open. Shortcut keys combination. Press Window E keys combination to open Window File Explorer. Opening a file and folder. Follow the given steps to open a file and a folder. Steps. 1. Click on the Start button. 2. Open the File Explorer window. 3. Choose the folder or a file you want to open, or click the folder icon on the taskbar in desktop view. Context menu. A context menu, also called the contextual, shortcut and pop-up or pop-up menu, is opened when we right-click anywhere on the app. It provides options that can be accessed quickly. Let us know how to use the context menu. Using context menu. By using the context menu, a folder can be opened. Follow the given step to open a folder using the context menu. Steps 1. Choose the folder you want to open. 2. Right click on it. 3. From the context menu, select the open option. 4. The desired folder will open. Renaming a file and folder. Have you ever given a name to someone and wanted to change the name later? Similarly, sometimes you may want to change the name of an existing folder or file. In doing so, renaming is required. Renaming is to change the existing name of the file or folder. Follow the given step to rename an existing file or folder. Steps 1. Right-click on the folder or file that you want to rename. 2. Click on the rename option from the context menu. 3. Type the new name for the folder or file. 4. Press enter. Let me answer. What would you do if you save a science project by the name of maths project? Shortcut key. Press F2 to rename a folder. Deleting a file and folder. There are some unused files and folders which you may want to delete. Deleted files or folders will be sent to the recycle bin. Follow the given steps to delete an existing file or folder. Steps 1. Right-click on the folder or file which you desire to delete. 2. Click on the delete option from the context menu. Shortcut key combination. Press the shift delete key combination. Restoring a file and folder. Sometimes you might unintentionally delete a file. To bring back the file from the recycle bin is called restoring. Follow the given steps to restore any file or folder. Steps 1. Double-click on the recycle bin icon is on the desktop. 2. The contents of the recycle bin get displayed in a new window. 3. Right-click on the file or the folder you want to restore. 4. Click on the restore option from the context menu. 5. The file or folder will be restored to its original location. Kids IQ. I am the pop-up menu you see when you right-click the mouse. Who am I? Let's recall. In Windows 10, multiple users can work on one computer system at the same time. A file is a collection of data or information. A folder serves as storage for files and other folders. A folder within a folder is called a subfolder. A context menu provides options that can be accessed quickly. Renaming is to change the existing name of the file or folder. Upskill your intelligence. A. Fill in the blanks. 1. The search tool of Windows 10 is called Dash. Answer: Cortana. 2. We can open numerous desktops simultaneously by using Dash button. Answer: Task View. 3. The type of files can be recognized by its dash. Answer: Icon. 4. A folder serves as dash for files or other folders. Answer: Storage. 5. A context menu is also called a dash menu. Answer: Pop-up. B. Match the following. 1. Match Ctrl-Shift-N key with create a folder. 2. Match Window plus E key with open file explorer. 3. Match F2 with rename a folder. 4. Match Shift plus Delete key with delete a folder. C. Write T for true statements and F for false statement. 1. Search tool is an application where you can get free and paid apps. Answer: false. 2. A folder is a collection of data or information. Answer: false. 3. Restoring is changing the existing name of the file or folder. Answer: false. 4. After restoring, the file will move to its original location. Answer: true. 5. By using the context menu, a folder can be opened. Answer: true. D. Tick the correct answers. 1. Deleted file or folders will be sent to dash. A. Search tool. B. Window store. C. Recycle bin. D. Window explorer. Answer C. Recycle bin. 2. A folder within a folder is also called a dash. A. In folder. B. Inside folder. C. View folder. D. Subfolder. Answer D. Subfolder. 3. It shows a series of commands to access quickly. A. Title bar. B. Context menu. C. Tab menu. D. View menu. Answer B. Context menu. 4. If you want to give a new name to a file or folder, you will dash it. A. Restore. B. Delete. C. Rename. D. Move. Answer C. Rename. 5. Which button provides the ability to open multiple desktops at the same time? A. Right click. B. Task view. C. Control. D. Shift. Answer B. Task view. E. Answer the following questions. 1. State any 3 features of Windows 10. Answer. The 3 features of Windows 10 are 1. Multiple users work on one computer system at the same time. 2. It also provides the feature of downloading free and paid apps. 3. It enables one to start more than one program at a time. 2. What is a folder? Answer. A folder serves as storage for files or other folders. 3. What is the use of context menu? Answer. A context menu provides an option that can be accessed quickly. 4. Write the steps to rename a file. Answer. 1. Right-click on the folder or file that you want to rename. 2. Click on the rename option from the context menu. 3. Type the new name for the folder or file. 4. Press enter. 5. Define a file. Answer. A file is a collection of data or information. Critical thinking. Rahul wants to create a folder. The steps he has written are not in order. Number the steps to help him create a folder. Answer. Right-click on a blank space. Go to the location where you want to create the folder. Select New and then Folder from the contextual menu. Windows will create the new folder at your current location. Enter your desired folder name and press enter. Team work. Shade the files in red color and the folders in yellow. Further, discuss the steps of deleting a file with your partner. Answer. Ask the students to do it themselves.